If you're a longtime subscriber of our channel, you'll have seen countless excavators. Today we're counting down the top 10 largest hydraulic excavators, regardless of their age. We hope you enjoy, and make sure you include any experience you have with these beasts in the comments below. Number 10. The R9600. This hydraulic excavator is designed and manufactured by Liebherr. It belongs to the ultra-class mining excavators with an operating weight of 645 tons. Liebherr manufactures it in Colmar, France, at its production facility. Like most excavators, it can be equipped with different bucket types. In this case, either a 48.1 cubic yard face shovel bucket or a 49.1 cubic yard backhoe. Face shovel buckets have an outward orientation relative to the excavator, while a backhoe bucket digs inwards. This mining excavator is available with either two Cummins or Liebherr diesel engines that provide up to 3,350 horsepower. In addition, an electric powertrain is offered. With a fuel capacity of 3,716 gallons, this machine can operate continuously for long intervals. Furthermore, Liebherr provides an anti-stalling and semi-automatic filling technology to minimize bucket stalling and to make the filling process easier for workers. Number 9. The XCMG XE7000. Released in 2018, this mining excavator is by far the biggest hydraulic excavator China has ever produced. The operating weight of this behemoth is 673 tons. It is powered by two colossal Cummins diesel engines, providing a combined output of 3,200 horsepower. The excavator is equipped with fault self-diagnosis and sophisticated monitoring technologies to ensure safe and efficient operation. Thanks to its 34 cubic meter bucket, the excavator can hold around 50 tons of coal with each scoop. If this excavator worked non-stop, it could extract 30,000 tons of coal daily. XCMG also offers an electric variant of this excavator. This variant produces 3,350 horsepower. This version is somewhat lighter than the XE7000, weighing 660 tons. It can be fitted with even bigger buckets that provide a maximum digging force of 2,270 kilonewtons, and hence the greatest performance. Number 8. The R996B. With an operating weight of 676 tons, this hydraulic excavator is the second largest mining machine made by Liebherr and just the 8th biggest excavator in the world. It has been designed for open-pit mining operations. Two Cummins K1800E engines power this monster with a total output of 3,000 horsepower. It has a backhoe bucket capacity of 36 cubic meters, which allows it to dig with a force of 1,535 kilonewtons. It is possible to equip this excavator with an optional Arctic kit for use in places with temperatures that can be as low as -50 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for the most difficult of missions. However, one can find the R996B crawler excavators working in coal mines in Australia and Indonesia, where the weather is much warmer. Number 7. The Komatsu PC7000-11. With a staggering weight of 692 tons, the Komatsu PC7000-11 is the 7th largest excavator in the world. It can use both a 42 cubic meter face shovel and a 55 cubic meter backhoe bucket. Two 16-cylinder Komatsu diesel engines have been incorporated, which work as the heart of this machine, providing a total output of 4,020 horsepower. In addition to that, there is an electric variant available with an option of 2 electric motors with a total output of 3,940 horsepower. The total height of this machine is 32 feet, and its undercarriage width measures 27 feet 9 inches. The fuel tank of this monster holds 3,679 gallons of diesel fuel. The latest technology included in this machine is Comtrax Plus, which helps operators with operations monitoring and data analysis. Komatsu shipped its first ever PC7000-11 in February of 2019 to a gold mine in Argentina. Number 6. The Demag H740 OS. Made this old mining monster. With an operating weight of 744 tons, the Demag H740 OS ranks 6th on our list. It combines impeccable engineering with sheer power. This excavator was developed for abrasive oil sand operation, and since its birth, it has been in use by KMC Mining in Canada. The shovel capacity of this equipment is an amazing 52 cubic yards, and it has a breakout force of 2,320 kilonewtons. It is powered by two 16-cylinder diesel engines, generating a combined power of 4,000 horsepower. Number 5. The Komatsu PC8000-11. The PC8000 has an operating weight of around 710 tons, and it comes with both shovel and backhoe attachments of 38 cubic meters. It comes standard with the ComVision system that helps to reduce accidents in the pit and increases operator awareness. The 45-degree stairway system allows the operator and maintenance staff comfortable and safe access to the machinery house level and cab level. With payload meters, the operator can load the truck more efficiently, reducing truck loading time and passes per truck. Komatsu also develops dedicated buckets for specific conditions. To make the maintenance process easier, the working space in the machinery house has been extended, and the first stage fuel filter has been removed from the fuel tank structure. Two 16-cylinder Komatsu SDA-16B 160 diesel engines power this machine with a total of 4,020 horsepower at 1,800 revolutions per minute. Number 4. The Liebherr R9800 G6. Developed for large-scale operations, the Liebherr 9800 is the fourth largest hydraulic excavator in the world. The Colossus is offered with a backhoe or shovel attachment and weighs up to 810 tons. To enhance efficiency, the R9800 excavator is intended to work together with large mining trucks. It is available with a diesel engine or an electric drive variant with a maximum power of 4,000 horsepower. The backhoe has a digging force of 1,760 kilonewtons. The Lightronic Plus power management system on the R9800 provides electronic control over many machine operations. Liebherr released the new Generation 6 model update in 2019, which includes technical breakthroughs and cost-effective solutions. Number 3. The Hitachi EX8000-7. It is the largest Hitachi mining excavator and the third biggest excavator in the world, weighing up to 837 tons. This excavator is so big that it took more than 2 months to assemble. With its 52.3 cubic yard shovel bucket, the EX8000-6 can fill a 52.3-ton giant dump truck in just 5 passes. Also, a 56.2 cubic yard backhoe bucket can be attached. Its twin Cummins engines combine to provide a net power of 3,888 horsepower at 1,800 RPM. Moreover, Hitachi's engine pump control system efficiently adjusts its power to the demand level and reduces work costs. Advanced hydraulics have been used to make the machine responsive while working. The operator's cab is 29 feet 6 inches high. In short, each bit of this giant monster works to deliver outstanding performance. Number 2. The Bucyrus RH400/Terex O&K RH400. You're now looking at the second largest hydraulic excavator in the world, which is 980 tons in weight. The first name of this behemoth was Terex RH400. It was introduced in Germany in 1997. However, Terex sold its mining business to Bucyrus in 2010, and the model's identity has changed to the Bucyrus RH400. The excavator can collect around 9,900 tons of material every hour, establishing a new world record for a hydraulic mining excavator. It features a face shovel bucket capacity of 65 cubic yards, which can handle 85 tons of material in a single scoop and load any mining truck in just 3 to 5 passes. The RH400 draws power with twin engines that generate a combined power of 4,500 horsepower. It takes 6 vehicle batteries to just start the engines, with which this mighty excavator can travel at a top speed of 2.2 kilometers an hour. That's just about 1.4 miles an hour. Number 1. The Caterpillar 6090 FS. Last but very clearly not least, we have the Caterpillar 6090 FS. With a staggering 1,000-ton operating weight, it is the largest excavator in the world. Its 68 cubic yard buckets can take up to 100 tons of material in a single pass. 2 Cummins QSK 60-liter diesel engines have been installed to power this huge excavator and provide a total gross power output of 4,500 horsepower. During operations, the engine and its sophisticated technology coordinate with the hydraulic systems to keep the balance between power and efficiency. As a result, the excavator consumes less fuel, which leads to a lower cost per ton. If one engine fails, the excavator can still function, since it can rely on a single engine and still achieve 65% of full production. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure you check out one of these two for more cool machinery. Feel free to like and subscribe, we always appreciate it. And with that, we'll see you next time.